Okay, so dengan ini saya restart already oh. Okay, sorry guys. I'm back. Okay. Link ada dekat description, kamu boleh masuk link itu kalau kamu nak tanya soalan dekat Zoom. Okay. Ariana, minggu lepas ada kah kamu? Okay, kita ada nampaknya ada sudah orang masuk Zoom. Okay, Zoom takkan nampak apa. Jangan risau nama kamu tak naik dekat YouTube. Okay. Okay, boleh tanya soalan, boleh start tanya soalan sudah. Kalau nak soalan itu saya boleh tunjuk kamu punya kamera and I will. Why is it in the waiting room? Huh? Hey. Hello. Hello. Okay, if you need to speak, then speak for yourself lah. Okay, just unmute yourself and talk. Okay. Okay, Zoom ada feature di mana kamu boleh send gambar bagi saya. Okay, kalau kamu ada soalan, kamu tunjukkan gambar pada saya and then saya akan immediately try to post out that picture and then kita boleh tengok gambar itu. Okay, the best thing is of course dalam bentuk gambar lah. Alright, so kita boleh tunjuk semua orang dan bagaimana kita melaksanakan. You nampak dekat bawah chat sana, the picture there over there, you can actually, yes, you can share the question through Telegram if you have my Telegram. Yes, of course. Okay, but I need to open Telegram, then everybody will see you asking already. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. In fact, you can see under the chat there, you can see in your chat. Alright, you can see in your chat, okay? You can see nampak ada satu file punya, okay? Nampak ada satu file punya dekat chat box kamu itu. Alright, so you tekan file itu and then you upload lah kamu punya gambar untuk soalan itu, okay? What's my Telegram username? Okay, hold on, off the screen first. So that's alright, I off this one first. I go find out what is my Telegram. My Telegram username. I sent to you directly, okay? Give me a moment. Where is my Telegram? Okay. I need to know, right? Hey, I don't have a username. Okay. Alright, I have a username now. Wee! Hopefully it's go. Yep, I'm good. I'm setting it, but my line over here is a little bit slow. Okay, my line over here is a little bit slow. So, oof, fantastic. Right. Okay, I have it now. Okay, I'll send to you. Right, here you go. Oh, sorry, I need to admit some people from outside. Okay. Okay. Cheers, no problem. Pleasure to help you guys. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I have my Telegram on. Oh, saya baru nampak cikgu kamu ada soalan, okay? Ada soalannya, alright? So this is the question, okay? Right. Okay, so we have the first question already. Okay, sure, no problem. Bazira. Right, I delete this first. Okay, I need to capture the windows. Okay, hold on. Okay, I got a question already. Okay, I'm gonna start it right now. Okay, zoom. Okay, not this one. Review screenshot. Yes. Okay. So ini adalah soalannya, alright? Ini adalah soalannya. Soalannya berbentuk macam ini. Figure 8 shows the iron plate on the floor of a warehouse. The iron plate is to be supported by a spring below it. System of spring is capable of supporting a maximum load of 3,600 kilogram with compression of 5 cm. Okay, so dekat sini kita ada beberapa keyword. Okay, so first keyword is kita tahu bahawa dia ialah, okay, we have to go by this. Okay, saya tahu maximum load ialah 3,600. Okay, dia ada compression maximum juga is 5 centimeter. Okay, you are given the task of suggesting a suitable design system of springs to support the iron plate. Your suggestions should consider the following. The spring type. Okay, first is the spring type. Okay, saya spring type. Okay. So the spring type, number of spring used, the position of each spring, and justify the design that you have suggested. Okay, so first of all, you kena satu benda yang kita kena tahu ialah iron plate itu ialah 3,600. Okay, 3,600 kilogram. Alright, that's the first thing. So the second thing is kita mesti make sure kita punya spring semua boleh support 3,600 kilogram inilah. Okay, of course the first thing yang kita kena buat ialah kita kena make sure kita tukarkan 3,600 kilogram ini kepada force dulu. Okay, kepada F dulu. So apa yang saya akan buat dekat sini ialah saya akan kecilkan. Sekarang saya tahu bahawa okay, I know that. Okay, I'm drawing, but I'm not seeing my drawing. Okay. Something went wrong. Okay, so the first thing is I kena tahu bahawa spring ini adalah. Okay, we're good. Kita kena find out the 3,600. You have to multiply it by 10 first. Okay, kita anggap dia 10 because we treat it as 10 3,600 with times 10 lah. So we have to support a load of 36,000 Newton. Okay, so and then the second thing that we have to look at dekat sini is this. Where's this? Okay, good. Okay, we have this one, right? 36,000 Newton. I'm sorry today ada kurang sikit. I don't know what happened today. Sorry ya guys, ada masalah. Okay. So, hey, semua setting saya lari. Pelik. Okay. 20. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, cool. So now I have this one. Okay, I think we solved our problem already. We have this one. Okay, cool. So the second thing is we have to make sure we have this one. Second one is type of spring used. You have spring X and spring Y yang bagi dalam choice kamu. So soalan ini, it looks like dia ialah satu soalan, I think dia mungkin soalan jenis essay. Okay, from the way that is the position, the way the question is being asked, I believe it is an essay question. Okay, it is an essay question. So what happened is, kalau saya nak guna spring, okay, I have to use, of course, I nak pilih yang kuat punya. Okay, so definitely type of spring type that saya nak guna, spring type is of course spring type Y. Okay, this is the first most important thing that we are going to talk about here. You have to use the spring type Y. Why spring type Y? Because spring type Y has a high K. Okay, so that is the first reason. Dia ada pemala spring yang tinggi. Okay, the number of spring used. Okay, now this one you have to do a little bit of calculation over here. Okay, now you see spring untuk ni you have 1,800. Okay, 1,800 Newton per cm. 1,800 Newton 1,800 Newton per centimeter. Okay, you have 1,800 Newton per centimeter. Now, untuk ini, spring dia juga kata maximum we can go 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter, that means dia boleh tahan berapa Newton? 5 centimeter, one spring 1,008 for 1 cm, okay? 5 spring, then you times 5 lor, 1,800 you times 5, you will be able to get close to 9,000, okay? You will get 9K, all right? You will get 9,000. 9,000 over here, okay? 9,000 over here, then from here kita tahu kita kena nak guna berapa spring sudah lah. So spring kita, you tengok plate itu ialah tadi kita tengok plate itu ialah 36,000. Okay, plate itu ialah 36,000. Alright, 36,000. Okay, Newton. This is the plate. Okay, plate. I write it down. This is the plate. I'm sorry, the writing here a little bit messy because my settings sudah lari. Okay, the plate here is 36,000. Now 36,000, how many you need? One can bear 9K. 9,000. 36,000 you can have in total 4 spring. 4 spring. So you have 4 spring, you have 4 spring over here, then you use 4 springs. Okay, so you know that the second one, the number of spring used is 4 spring. How? Why you should use 4 spring is because each spring, you want to use why each spring can go 9K, 9,000 Newton at 5 centimeter compression. So 4 spring will have 36,000. Okay, 4 springs will have 36,000. That's how it happens. So yeah, basically it's just that simple. And then the last one, dia kata position of 4 spring. Of course, position of 4 spring, if we have 4 springs tu, kita nak bubuk one corner satu lah. Why? Because you want it to be balanced. Okay, so it's just that simple. I'm sorry, today a little bit messy over here and there. Okay, last week punya perfect lah. Last week punya benda tu, lepas tu keluar pun cantik. This week macam tak tahu apa benda. Okay, right. Okay, so we good. I'm going to look at the next question. All right, the next question is, ayo, spring lagi ya? Spring lagi ya? Nah, okay. Cikgu sudah bagi jawapan pada saya pun. Okay, so for me is 4 spring. Okay, let's see, 4 springs. 4 springs. You arrange the spring at each corner one. Okay, you pun boleh actually tulis one at each corner. Okay, so that the thing does not fall. That is the reason for it. Okay, if we want to make the explanation, we will do it this way. Okay, cool. Come on. Next question. I need to see the chat. Right. What else is the question? I will need to look at WhatsApp. Sorry, WhatsApp pula. YouTube. Apa jadi? YouTube saya pun tak tahu apa jadi YouTube. Dekat sana. Itulah masalah dia. So, let's forward. Hari ni line kurang sikit. Saya pun tak tahu kenapa. Mungkin hari ni last day of Chinese New Year, dia orang semua main mercun, lepas tu cable kena bomb. I don't know. Alright. Okay, next question. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm excited about the question. Okay, actually, this question is the first time. Okay. Um. Oh ya, dia kata acceleration. Oh, saya tak nampak habis soalan. Dia kata acceleration. I won't erase it first. I just scroll it down so that we can go to the next. Okay. Alright. So, okay, I have the questions already. I need to download all three of the questions. Alright. Okay. Right. So now let's look at the next question. Next question is another round of essay question. Essay question. I love essay questions. All right. I love essay questions. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna put up the essay questions next. Window capture go. Okay. I'm gonna put up the essay questions. This kind of question. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna cover this one up with faces. Right. So let's look at this first question over here. Let's see specifically what type of question we want to look at first. Are we looking at the first question? The question, I don't think you want me to discuss this one, right? Okay. Compare the value. I think I'm not going to discuss this one. All right. Comparing value. Sender, do you want me to discuss? B, tell me. Okay. Tak do, tak do, tak do, tak do, tak do. Okay, so the second one just tell you need to replace only. Okay, that's basically there's nothing over here. So now we're going to solve the question. It's pretty simple, in fact, if you look at the question. How is it being structured and all that. Okay, so you ada perintang peka cahaya. Alright, I will go back to the image. I will zoom into the image and then you can see. Okay, I will zoom into the image so you can see very clearly. Okay, this is it that I want to share with you guys. Right. Okay, saya akan bubur gambar ini dekat hujung atas muka saya itu. Right, muka saya itu. Muka saya yang handsome itu. Alright, so yep. Okay, so this is it. Why lah my webcam on so bawah, so my webcam has to be on top lah. Move to the top. Yep, cool. Okay, so let's look at this question. PPC. Now you do this kind of question, make sure you ada pecahkan dia kepada jadual dahulu. Alright, jadual dahulu. So I will make this diagram even smaller now. Alright, even smaller now. I hope you still can see the diagram. Okay, I can zoom diagram ini. Oh, zoom diagram ini. Alright, so make sure you ada buat table. Yang ni ialah your characteristics or you call it ciri. Yang ni ialah sebab. Alright, you call it reason. Okay, you have two things over here, characteristic and your sebab. Okay, now the first one you have to look at is you have to use not using PPC because you have to change to a termister. Termister. Okay, it's called termister. Okay, term means hit. Kalau you tak ingat hari tu exam jam, halamak macam mana, tulislah perintang peka khabar. Alright, boleh. So, tak tahulah betul ke tak betul, nasib lah itu. Okay, so sebab nak kita macam mana nak tulis sebab. Why is the reason over here? Because it is sensitive to heat. Okay, or a better answer would be this. Sorry guys. Better answer would be this. I'll give you the reason. I'll write in red. Low resistance when hot. Okay? Low resistance when hot. Right? So, second one is of course you kena tambah, you kena tukarkan bulb itu kepada bell. Why? Well, bulb you have to change to the bell. It's because you don't expect a bulb to ring, right? So you have to change your bell. So the bell will ring when current passes through. Okay? Kalau ada apa? Oh, no, 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 no. Current. Arus yang lalu dia akan ring. Okay? So the next one, you nak tukar ialah you have to add relay. Okay? Relay ialah di mana apa benda itu yang kamu tambah daripada dekat kawasan bulb itu. Okay? Sebenarnya bulb sana you ganti dengan satu coil macam ni. Okay? Coil ini adalah untuk menjana magnet. Coil yang macam ni. Coil yang macam ini untuk menjana magnet. Lepas tu dia adalah satu switch dekat sini. Alright, and then sini you bubuh bell itu. Okay, nampak macam mushroom saja. So this whole thing itself is called a relay system. Okay, this is roughly the symbol lah, roughly the symbol. You go back and check your textbook how is the relay system should be drawn. Okay, this is your bell, this is your relay system. Okay, so over here, what you just need to tell you need a relay system. Okay, so what is the function of a relay system? It is to separate, okay, the bell of high voltage, okay, high voltage, okay, or you can say high power from the, let me see the question, okay, because this one has to depends on the question. Should I use power or should I use voltage, okay, let's see. High power, yes, power, all right, high power, because your power, your siren electric is 500 volt. Oh, voltage pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, from the transistor. Okay, because transistor, if too much power, dia akan damage. Okay, so we have 3 points already. Now let's go for the fourth point. Let's go for the fourth point, okay? Let's go for the fourth point. The fourth point talks about your position. Okay, your position of your bintang. Position of your, wait, let me back the question first. Electrical modification. Bintang. Okay. All right. The fourth one talks. Do we have three? Three already? Yes. Good. We have three already. Thermistor, you use a bell, you use a relay. Okay, good. Now, what else is you have to connect this to the bell has to be connected. Bell to be connected to external power, other power sources. Okay. Now, why is this? Because certainly the bell needs high voltage. Okay. So that is the reason that I could, when I look at the question, I could think of. Okay. At least I will give you at least 8 marks lah. Okay. Yeah. Last one. Position. Now, position. We know that thermistor is low when it is hot. Okay. Now, I want you guys to look back at the circuit. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have position 1, we have position 2, we have position 3. Position 3 is definitely, we are not going to consider position 3. Okay, now I want you to see which is the one that controls the gate voltage. Okay, sorry, not gate voltage, it's the base voltage. Okay, base voltage is always controlled by this guy over here, if it looks like this. So what happens is, how do we know which is the base voltage, sir? Let's do an let's do a very simple analysis and see, yeah? Okay, so it's going to be like this. I know this one will go up, okay? Positive go up, this one go in, all right? So when it comes here, okay, this side have to masuk. You see the one I just draw on, okay? This side have to masuk. This side have to masuk, okay? And this side have to go out. Now, let's see the logic. If this side masuk, okay, my circuit needs to flow like this, all right? So this side, my circuit has to flow like this. So this is perfectly okay because this one looking like it from here, the one at the bottom. Okay, I'll put the one at the bottom into green color so you can see, all right? You can see the difference. The one is going like this, okay? This one on top, the blue one pula, is going to look like this. Now, based on the one in green, I don't have green, okay? I don't have green, I only have teal. Based on the one in green, okay, aqua. Okay, based on the one in green or based on the one you in blue, which one is flowing into your base? You need to ask that question. Okay, now I'm just going to give you the answer over here. The green one is flowing into the base lah. You see how I draw? I draw according to these arrows only. I actually draw according to these arrows. So this one over here, it will flow. This one over here, it will flow like this. Okay, it will flow like this. This one flowing counterclockwise. So this one is must flow like this. Okay, this one must flow like this. So yeah, that's how it goes lah. Okay, so you know the one at the bottom here is your VB. Okay, this one on top is your V. Now, you want VB to be high. Remember always, for VB to be high, you need R base to be high. It's because my students will know we always divide them into ratios. Okay, if we have 12 here, we have 12 over here. In a total, we have 12. Okay, we have 12 over here. If on top is hold on, okay, we have 12 over here. Okay, this is R. Okay, this is normal R. If we have 12 here, you have 4 ohm on top, 2 ohm at the bottom. On top, we'll get 8 volt. At the bottom, we'll get 4 volt. Okay, this is how the ratio goes. If I have a 6 ohm on top and 6 ohm at the bottom, on top we'll get 6 volt, bottom will get 6 volt. Okay, even if it is 2 ohm, 2 ohm. On top we'll get 6 volt, bottom we'll get 6 volt. It is divided according to the ratio of resistance. Okay, even in a circuit, because this is a series circuit. So, okay, cut the crap. You want VB to be high, right? But once it is hot, if you put your thermistor here, VB will be low. That's the alarm ring if VB is low. It didn't open up the transistor. It's not going to ring. Okay? If you put your thermistor at the area I just lowered just now, VB is going to be low when hot. Okay? It is not going to ring. Now, if you put on top, it on top, when it is hot, R will be low. When R will be low, RB will be high. Here, VB will be high. Okay? So, how should we answer to this question? You have to position thermistor at Okay, I zoom back the picture. Zoom back the picture. You can see over here. I'll zoom back the picture. Position it at R1. Okay, position it at R1. Then you're good. So, how do you answer the question? You can answer RB or VB high when heated or when it's hot. Okay, so that is how. Oh, I'm sorry, didn't display. Didn't display. Okay, so RB high. Hey, did it come out just now? I hope it came out because I was seeing it running. Oh, except for this. Okay. So RB and VB will be high when heated. So you need to position your thermistor at R1 so that RB will be higher as compared to your R on top. Okay. And then when your RB is high, your VB is high, then your thermistor is activated. It's turned on. Okay. So I hope I answered the whole essay question. Well, that's pretty heavy actually. That's pretty heavy actually. I need to look at. I want Rachel Sim. I want to add how to calculate the tension. I need a sample question though. Sorry. I'm sorry, girl. I need a sample question. How to calculate tension? I'll try to answer to this. Okay, let's give you an example. Okay, I have two strings tying up. Okay, I'll make it a little bit harder. I'll make it a little bit harder. Okay, I have two strings tying up something. Okay, tying up. Let's say okay, tie it up like this. Wow, sir, like that also can. I have two strings that tie up like this. Okay, I'm gonna hide the question from just now so that you guys can actually check it out later. All right. If you guys need the notes from my whatever, just nudge me. Maybe I can put it up. All right. Okay. Let's get back to this question. This guy over here is 5 kg. Okay. This guy over here is 5 kg. How to calculate the tension? I'm not going into pulley because if I go into pulley sampai pukul 12 malam hari ni pun tak payah tidur. Okay. This guy is 5 kg over here. 5 kg over here. Let's assume this guy 5 kg with times 9.81 or whatever times 10 is going to be 50 Newton. I'm malas lah. Okay, I just put 50 Newton for the sake of showing example. Okay, and this angle over here, watch out, this angle over here is 20 degree. We know the tension is going outwards. This string is going this direction. Okay, now we need to calculate T1 and we need to calculate T2. Is that what you want to ask? All right. I don't know. You may you. I hope I answered your question, and I hope I will answer your question today. Basically, this kind of question is very simple. What you need to do is make it simple. All right. You have three lines over here. Tell you what's coming next is going to be magic. You see, I'll erase this one. I'll not erase this one. I'll erase in the middle. So what do you see? You see, I show you what I've erased. You see three lines now, right? You see three lines now. What am I going to do with these three lines is I'm going to rearrange them in whatever possible way to form a triangle without changing the way it is shown in the picture. Okay, so of course I will start with the slant one first. Okay, slant one like this. So this is your T1. Okay, then I am going to take away this guy. All right, this 50 Newton guy. Okay, This is the straight line, okay? 50 Newton. So I'm going to put it here. Now it's convenient, ma. You see this one straight, now I put it here, lor. Okay? So this one over here now, you know this is 20. Ah, T2, dump it here, lor. That's all. The whole point is get the tree line, dismantle the tree line, rearrange it to form a triangle again. Then you use your trigonometry to count. Okay, Rachel, I hope I answered your question. Right. I hope I answered your question, Rachel. Yep. Then you use trigonometry, but don't let me get into trigonometry, please. This physics class. Trigonometry, go back to your maths teacher. Okay? Wow. You guys came in so late. I'm gonna end the class.
Возьми карандаш и пиши. Возьми карандаш и пиши.
Who is this? Wow, so fun. Nah, I don't care. Whatever. Hey, what is this? I can't remove him, but I remove. I don't know. Sorry guys, if I remove you guys, I remove it wrongly. Okay, I'm sorry. Somebody came in to disturb me. I'm not gonna get out of my room. Please. How much work will you have to do if to stop the revolution of the... Wow. I'm not gonna answer that question. I'm gonna answer for SPM only. Why not you find out and ask and answer me? Okay? Redmi 7. Okay, so sorry. I'm not supposed to announce. Ooh, somebody came in and play some and show me some Nazi logos in the Zoom. How? Okay. So how is it going, guys? So scary. Exactly right. Now doesn't matter. These are just...
Нигер.
What's up?
White power.
Oh yes. What's up, man? Hey, if you're here to learn, then it's cool. If you're not here to learn, then get out of my room. I'll just remove him. Whatever. Yep. Fantastic. Everything is good. Okay, I hope you guys are going to be okay for next week's physics. All right. I will. I'm not sure. Can I do chemistry? Okay, but I don't think I will do chemistry because I didn't. I'm not very good. I'm not to say. Yeah, I'm not going to do chemistry. I'm not a chemistry teacher. Okay, so yep. Text me anytime. There is I'll leave a link at the description to the email. Okay, you can send me an email if you want to ask some questions. Okay, I will do and I'll see how it goes. If there are questions that comes in, if there are questions that comes in, all right, I'll do another live stream on Thursday pula. Thursday is too late. Okay. I'll do another live stream maybe on Sunday night. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Yeah. All right. So see you guys and goodbye.